This is our model number 338. Android based, remotely programmable sequential load operation. It's somewhat similar to a PLC, but the operation will be carried out remotely by any smartphone after you establish the connection between them with Bluetooth operation. This has a Bluetooth, and we have a Bluetooth module here. With this Bluetooth module, we will be using this smartphone for operating and setting the parameters as far as the PLC operation is concerned. We will see this by operating it from here. We have kept it for that. So after we establish the connection, Bluetooth connection from the smartphone, this has got A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H plus up and down button here. Here it says that Android PLC, press A means auto, B means setting, C means manual operation. We have 4 loads here, and we have functions as we have mentioned. A is auto, B is setting and C is manual. Now once we press the auto button, we find one of the lamps starts glowing, the number 1 lamp, and we find that the display starts counting down from 30 seconds and down till and once that 30 seconds is achieved, it will switch over to the next, and again it will switch over to the next and so on. This is in automatic mode. But while we change it to say maybe the setting mode, we can change this timing as per our requirement. In the manual mode, we can switch on any lamp and any lamp on and off as per our need. So what we have noticed here, now the time is coming down, and finally when it goes to the second lamp, and it goes on automatically operating like this till we switch off the system. So that's how the automatic function is achieved. For going over to the other mode, like say for example the setting mode, B is for setting mode. So once we press B, we find the time period starts telling us that it was earlier set for 30 seconds. That is number 1. You can see the number 1 was set for 30 seconds, so it is displaying us as the 30 seconds. And once we put it down, what we find, we can change the timing. What you can see, we are able to change the timing. Now supposing we will change the timing to a lower value, and we go over to say 7 seconds, and then set. Then it tells us the second one. The second one also, we can similarly go on reducing the time as per our need. Maybe this we take say 5 seconds, and the third one similarly, the third one will be 30 seconds. We can also reduce this or increase this as per our need. And for the fourth one, we suppose leave it like this, and then when we set this, what we find, now the number 1 load is switched on and starts from 7 seconds. And since we have made the number 2 for C, now the second one is operating for 5 seconds, set for 5 seconds, and so on it operates till it is switched off. It goes on. So in the process we are able to change the timing as per our need. We can also go over to the manual mode. In the manual mode, what we have is where to set the manual mode that we have discussed, and we press C. Once we press C, it goes to the manual mode. And in the manual mode, we have E, F, G, H to be operated. Now once we press E, we find the lamp is switched on, and once I press again, that same lamp is switched off. Or F, or press F, it's switched off. Z, it's switched on and switched off. Like that, manual operation is possible with this setting. That means we can have automatic mode, setting mode, manual mode, all the 3 modes remotely controlled by the handheld device, which is a operating system of Android, and we are able to achieve remotely all the functions that are required. Thank you.